So hello, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll show you a quick guide on how to fix no sound in games on your iPhone. So let's get right on it. So first things first, what you want to do is you would want to open your settings app. Once you have done that, you would want to scroll down and then you would want to go to your sounds and haptics. So once you're in your sound and haptics, you would want to go to ringtone and alerts, and then you would want to make sure that this has been set to the max. So once you have done that, what you want to do is you would want to exit out of your settings application and then you would want to open your game. Once you have opened your game, you would want to make sure that your volume has been dialed up all the way up, and then you would want to make sure that your ringer has also been enabled. And this will basically fix the problem when you have no sound on your iPhone games. And that's basically it. That's how to fix no sound on your iPhone games. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful to you. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot. Thanks again.